In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Loop tasks with Microsoft To Do 2026 Full Guide. If you use Loop to plan with your team and To Do to track your personal work, the good news is they already talk to each other. We'll walk through creating tasks in Loop, assigning them, and seeing them show up instantly in To Do with updates flowing both ways. Start by opening Microsoft Loop in your browser. Sign in with the same work or school account you use for Microsoft 365, since the sync relies on that shared identity. Once you're in, head to the workspace and the specific page where you want your tasks to live. Keeping tasks on a focused page helps keep context, comments, and files together. On the page, type a / to open the insert menu, then choose task list. The slash menu is the fastest way to add structured components in Loop, and task list is designed for collaboration. You'll see columns for the task title, assignees, due dates, and status. Add your tasks just like you would in a spreadsheet. Assign each one by typing the @ symbol and choosing a teammate or yourself. The mention ties the task to a person, which is what powers the sync to To-Do. Set clear due dates so prioritization works well across apps. You can adjust columns, reorder tasks, and use comments for quick clarifications without leaving the page. Behind the scenes, the moment you create that task list, Loop generates a plan in Microsoft Planner for this page. You don't have to configure anything. Planner provides the backbone that handles status, assignments, and due dates, and it's what To Do reads from. Now open Microsoft To Do, either the desktop app or the web version. Go to Assign to Me. Tasks you were mentioned on in Loop appear here automatically, carrying their titles and due dates. If you don't see them right away, give it a moment or refresh. Sometimes there's a short delay while the services sync. From here, the sync is two-way. Mark a task complete in Loop, and it will complete in To Do and in Planner. Check it off in To Do, and you'll see the check mark reflected back in Loop almost immediately. The same applies to due dates and assignees you edit in Loop. Those updates flow through to Do via Planner. That's it. Create your tasks in Loop, assign with the mention, set due dates, and manage your personal view in To Do. With this setup, you keep the team's context in Loop and your daily list in To Do without duplicating effort.